So I decided to do share a really quick unboxing, y'all, because girl, some AirPod Maxes. I bit the bullet and got myself some AirPod Maxes. I did get them from Best Buy. They were on sale, and you know, anytime I buy something, I always like to save myself some coins. So if you hear some noise in the back, I'm running my air fryer because I'm cooking myself some breakfast. Let me flip my aid, and I'll be right back. And then I'll let this battery charge for like a few seconds. Okay, so I let my battery charge. Not sure how long it's going to last, but I am going to work really fast because I wanted to unbox this here on. Let's go ahead and unbox this for you all really quick. So you know Apple always has the best packaging. How you do this? Pull it. Let's do some ASMR. Up with the black because I did not want to have to worry about color transfer or these hair getting dirty, because you know these hair are not cheap at all. When I tell you I tried to get the best price possible, they are expensive, so I was just like, we're going to go with the darkest color because I don't want to have to worry about anything, because I like the silver, but the silver do show color transfer. They do show dirt, normal wear and tear, because when we went, one of my Sephora friends, we went to the Apple store just to like look at the AirPods before we decided to purchase, at the silver on display, and oh my gosh, they were already dirty. And you know me, I wear makeup and I don't want to accidentally get makeup on my AirPods, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get the black. I wanted to get the color, like I really did, but I just couldn't live with myself if they get dirty. Replace these, but dirty. Like, you can buy covers for these, so keep that in mind. But again, I just didn't want to be bothered. Here is the inside of the packaging, and I will say they do have a little bit of weight to them, so just keep that in mind. I am coming from Dre Beats. Inside you have your Apple information, and then you have charger. It looks like it's the same charger as your the new iPhone, because I have the 14 Pro Max in the case. And you know Miss Tamika is going to deck her Air Maxes out. You already know. On Amazon looking as we speak. One thing about Apple products, you all, they are so easy to figure out. Like, you don't have to work hard, you don't have to read instructions, you don't have to drive yourself crazy, because I'm gonna show you how easy it is to pair these. So here is my iPhone case. It's kind of like a thick silicone type case. This here black mesh on top. Son purchased these, but he said that they were heavy and they were bothering his neck. But when I tried them on in the store, it didn't feel heavy to me. But again, getting them home and trying them out versus in the store, totally different thing. So fingers crossed it's not heavy to the point where it's like uncomfortable. These here do pop out, like I said, real easy. So like I said, if they do get dirty, you can replace these. But again, I don't know how much they will cost to replace these. I said they are so easy to pair. So unlock to connect. Apple makes it so easy to pair, and they are half charged. They are at 78%. You just hit continue. All right, so oh my gosh, the noise cancellation, I cannot hear nothing. That's so crazy. Goodness. All right, the noise cancellation off because it was sounding a little weird. See if we put on some music and see what happens. Y'all know my favorite song is Good Good by Usher, y'all. Good Good. Oh my gosh, you all, I am in love. I'm trying to my face so you can't see the ring light. But yeah, I am in love, you all. I have these here AirPod Maxes. Let me know down below your thoughts. Like, do you have issues with them being too heavy? So a good place to buy accessories, because I am planning to deck my AirPods out. I cannot wait to show you the these I end up buying. I know you can get them off of Amazon. I heard Temu, Shein, all those other websites. But yeah, y'all, I got myself some AirPod Maxes. Yeah, and in order for them to turn off, I heard you have to put them back in this case, like so. You can buy a case to go on top of this case, you know. Because these here are going to come in handy when I'm editing videos, to the gym like that. But in the summertime, I do see myself taking walks and stuff. But even if I'm taking a walk outside, I'll make sure I have the cancellation off so I can still hear my surroundings. And plus, when I take walks, I'm not by myself, because I don't think I would want to wear them by myself walking, because you know, somebody might run up on me or something. This is my AirPod Maxes. So now I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. I tell you, my kitchen is a mess, like a mess, but I just wanted to get on here and show you really quick what I got from Target. Y'all know, if y'all don't know, I have a thing for glasses, cups, and mugs and things. So I did purchase this here mug from, I was going to say Sephora, from Target. It was $10. I plan to use this for my iced coffee. Something cute and see-through. I just two new coffees. I got the level 11. And then this here caramel. This is my first time trying this here Pete's, but this one I had before. This was $3. I thought this was cute because, you know, Valentine's Day is coming, and it's crazy because, y'all, I'm starting to drink tea. I like it, so I feel like this would be cute for my tea. Got a box of tissues, big thing of Tide Pods, and y'all, I was so happy because I just so happened to open this to smell, and I feel like this is like really full compared to some of the ones that I was opening. I was just like, I got lucky, y'all, because you know, soap powder not cheap. Arm & Hammer scent boosters. I love these. I put that in my wash. Hair dye, because I'm planning to get my hair done on Thursday. So some bohemian braids. I wash deodorant. Hair chip box for my daughter. I got a plug-in because I ran out of Bath and Body Works, y'all. 2 of these hair energy drinks. They were 2 for $4. Let me tell you something. To Target to get hair dye, and I ended up with all this, and it cost me like $125. I was going into Target just for hair dye. When they say Target let you know what you need. Because did I need this? Probably yeah and probably no. But yeah, I ended up spending $127. And I was like, oh my gosh, what the hell did I just buy? Oh yeah, I just wanted to get on here really quick and do a quick haul. Vlog style or whatever. Because I was off and I didn't feel like putting on no makeup. Some days you just don't feel like it. And this today. Because tomorrow I work and then I'm off for 2 days. So film. Since I'm off for 2 days. I like to be off 2 days back to back versus just 1 day. Summer Friday lip oils came out today. I had one of my Sephora friends put some on hold for me. Get them on Saturday. I'll probably turn my vlog camera back on and share with you all some swatches and how they look on my lips, because they're sold out online. And I'm trying to see if they are that good. I mean, I did see somebody doing an unboxing, and I don't think they said they had a smell. And I love my lips to have some type of smell, because you know the Summer Fridays lip balms have like little smells to them. So I'm like, come on, y'all, how you get a lip oil and you don't have like a little scent to them? Fingers crossed. I like the ones that I put all 4 of them on hold, so I don't know if I'm gonna get all 4 or what. Nage came out with a lip mask. I think it's cotton candy. It's not even online. I don't even know where you can purchase it at, how you can purchase it, because oh my gosh, we have it in our store. I did put that on hold too. Do I need it? Absolutely not. But to have like that blue and pink swirly look and putting it on my lips, oh my gosh, it smells like cotton candy. That I'll show you that tomorrow as well. So with that being said, I'm gonna go on and clean up this nasty ass kitchen because I ran out the house this morning to grab those AirPods because I did a drive up at Best Buy. House dirty. So let me clean and I'll talk to you later. Bye.